Hi everyone, welcome to my auto problems. In today's video we will be talking about two trouble codes related to fuel trim on GMC and Chevy cars from model 2005 to the latest. You might be wondering what the two codes are. So let me show you. It's not the engine oil pressure sensor. It's the P0172 fuel trim rich bank 1 and P0175 fuel trim rich bank 2. You will need a scan tool to diagnose these two codes properly, and let me tell you why. Because in order to diagnose these two codes, we will need to monitor some data. Let's look at the fuel trim data. The normal fuel trim should be between positive 10 to negative 10. This right here is normal. Our fuel trims are normal. Let's have a look at the evap data. The engine is running at the moment. Our fuel tank pressure sensor shows we have a vacuum inside the fuel tank. Normally it should be between negative 2 to 0 when the vehicle is idling, and this right here is not normal. Purge command is 14%, and we expect a little bit of vacuum, but negative 14 is too much. Let's shut off the engine and start it again to see. Looks like fuel tank pressure has stabilized, so let's start the engine. As you can see, once the engine has started, our purge command is 0 and we are supposed to not have any vacuum in the tank. But in this vehicle's case, it's going wild. So guys, let me show you how to troubleshoot this. Don't worry if you don't have a scan tool. I'll be showing you another way to troubleshoot this code. This right here is the evap purge solenoid. We will remove this and see if it's working properly or not. It's located next to the intake manifold. This is how to remove the purge solenoid. It's easy. You unplug the connector and the hose, and there is a push tab type of lock there. Push it away from the solenoid, just like that, and disconnect the hose from the other side as well. And pull it out. This solenoid is supposed to suck in the fuel vapors from the tank, and when it goes bad, it just keeps on drawing the vapors from the tank. See if it's bad, blow air through one side and see if it's blowing the air from the other side. If it blows air from the other side, it's gone bad and need to be replaced. I will be replacing this and show you how it goes. The pulse solenoid has been replaced and the engine is off. So let's start the engine and see how it goes. As you can see, the engine is running and purge command is 0. Our fuel tank pressure is normal as there is no command to draw the vapors. Now let's have a look at the fuel trims. They are normal. Back to the evap data. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button and comment if you have any question. Looks perfect to me. Engine idling, 0% command and stable reading. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.